Elvis Alicon here with Silver State Plumbing and Refrigeration. Today I'm going to talk to you about leak detection. If you've been notified by your water district about a high water bill, I'm going to tell you a couple of spots to look for. Outside, if you see pooling water, you might want to call your local landscaper. You might have a head that's broken, you might have irrigation lines that just have bursted. If you don't see any of that, you want to come inside. Inside, you want to look for running toilets. Running toilets are one of the big issues why your water bill might go high. You want to look for leaky faucets. Leaky faucets can also cause a high water bill. If you can't find the leak yourself, call your local plumber for leak detection. Leak detection is a machine that creates sonar sounds. With a leak detection machine, we can basically, based upon sonar, we can find out and pinpoint where the leak might be coming from. If you're in the states of Nevada, Arizona, California, call Silver State Plumbing. We'll come out and help you out.